Are you over 30 and tossing and turning at night, no matter how tired you are? You're not alone. Sleep struggles become incredibly common after 30, especially for women. But here's the good news. You can fix it, without pills. In today's video, we'll uncover why your body suddenly resists restful sleep and share science-backed natural solutions that actually work. Whether it's hormones, stress, or diet, we'll break it all down. So stay with me till the end. Around your 30s, estrogen and progesterone levels begin fluctuating. These hormones affect melatonin, your sleep hormone, causing trouble falling or staying asleep. Even minor changes in hormone levels can disrupt your sleep cycles. Work, family, and personal goals add up to chronic low-grade stress. Your body may start producing more cortisol at night, keeping you alert, anxious, and wide awake. Imbalance in gut bacteria can impact serotonin, which then affects melatonin, leading to poor sleep. Gut issues can show up as bloating, cravings, and restlessness at night. You know, blue light from our phones can actually delay the release of melatonin, which is the hormone that helps us fall asleep. Even just 10 minutes of screen time can push your sleep cycle back by more than 30 minutes. It's kind of surprising how much of an impact such a small habit can have on our rest. A lot of people don't realize this, but green tea, matcha, and even some teas that are labeled as calming still contain caffeine. So, sipping on these in the evening might seem harmless, but they can quietly keep you awake longer than you'd expect. When you have sugar before bed, your blood sugar can spike and then suddenly drop, which often leads to waking up around 2 or 3 in the morning. And while alcohol might make you feel sleepy at first, it actually disrupts your REM sleep later in the night. So yeah, these little choices can really mess with your sleep more than you might think. So, pumpkin seeds, almonds, or even a banana with a bit of nut butter, these are all fantastic sources of magnesium. Magnesium, you know, really calms the nervous system and helps you fall asleep faster. Gentle stretching, paired with deep breathing using the 4-7-8 method, can do wonders. This little routine drops your cortisol levels, improves your heart rate variability, and signals your body that it's time to rest. Chamomile, valerian, and lemon balm. Try a decaf blend about 1 hour before bed. It's a simple, soothing way to help your body wind down. When your bedroom lighting mimics a natural sunset, your body gets the signal that it's time to wind down. As a result, melatonin production rises, making it so much easier to fall asleep. It's honestly a simple change that can make a big difference. Calming muscle tension actually promotes relaxation. It's such a simple, soothing way to help your body unwind at the end of the day. Here's a little bonus. Create your own sleep trigger. Just pick one calming habit to do every single night. That could be lighting a specific candle, journaling 3 things you're grateful for, or maybe sipping some warm golden milk. Over time, your brain will start to link this habit with sleep, which means, faster relaxation. If you liked this natural sleep guide, go ahead and hit subscribe for more wellness tips made especially for women over 30. There's so much more to share. Just remember, poor sleep after 30 isn't only about age. It's really your body asking for a little extra support. Support it naturally, and those restful nights can absolutely return. Good night and good health.